So I'm in the lovely Proper and Wild. That is blown out way too much because of the lighting choice around there. But having some Sunday brunch. I'm first gonna get me a cold brew granita. He's making that over there. And I have to figure out what I'm gonna actually eat. Which is very complicated. I don't even know if you could read everything. On this menu, I have had the Heather before, which is like a superfood pancake, which was really good. But now I need to decide an avocado BLT they have on a regular basis. The chickpea frittata, I had thought about that last time. Kind of want to do the heart cake Benny, but I'd rather do a chickpea egg or the P&W scramble. I was told the only salad that's around, I think the Proper Start they said is only during brunch, and that's got a regular egg. I'd have to see if I could do a chickpea egg. The Carrot Lox is only on the weekend. I think I may get the Carrot Lox. I've had their ricotta lox before, which is cashew ricotta, which is really good. I'm thinking about that Carrot Lox. If I do that, I gotta figure out what else I want. And it's hard. I think I've tried their broken black rice grits before. The potato hash I had, that's very good. Ooh, look at my drink. Look at how pretty it is. Still, another faux lox, we meet again, which is not bad. I just want to know how this tastes because it's Carrot Lox. This is a cashew cream cheese? What is this? I gotta look at the menu. It's cashew chive schmear, red onions, dill, and kippers. Kippers. All right, time to try. Ooh, that is good. That's really good. Salty, with a little sweet from the carrots. I like it. A little bit more salty though, but it tastes good. I couldn't help myself. I got dessert. This is their passion and orange pâte de crème. I was told that the crème should be like a cashew crème, coconut whipped cream on top, blueberry compote. I kind of want to keep this spoon. It's so cute. I shouldn't be stealing from places I frequent, but this is a cute little spoon. Oh, just look at it. Good from every angle. And that is the lovely Proper and Wild. Honestly, it's so good. Oh. And they're closing because it's almost 3 o'clock. My phone does not show the proper time, but 3 o'clock, they are closed on Sunday.